Okay, let's talk about the wiring for four-way conditions. So here is the power source. This one is the live wire, and this one is the neutral wire. The live wire go to the master switch. Here is the master switch, and then it also has a neutral wire, because all the Wi-Fi switch needs live and neutral to power the Wi-Fi chip itself all the time. And the neutral wire also connects to the NAND, goes over here to the NAND. And there are three switches. This one is a master switch, and the middle one is a four-way switch add-on, and this one is the third one, is a three-way. And in this condition, you see the power goes like this. Power from here to the master switch, and there are two travelers. You see this? There are two travelers. Bring the power to the second switch. The second switch is a four-way switch. These two wires are travelers coming in, and there are another two wires for the power to the third one. So they are travelers out to the third one. On the third switch, this is three-way. You see, there are two travelers bring the power from the second one, and the last one is a common wire, or we can say it's a load wire, and it connects to the node. So power like this. In this condition, you see, our master switch must be installed at the live side, and the load side is a three-way switch. In the middle is a four-way switch. Four-way, two come in, two come out. So for the three-way, two come in and one come out. So two travelers, one common switch. Okay, this is all wiring. Now let's try to turn on, turn off the switch. From the masters first. On, off, and also the middle one, on, off. Here, also on, off.
If you have any tech queries, please visit our tech support page.